Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a component in Webflow. This is a useful skill when you're cleaning up your design system or removing elements you no longer need in your project. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Once you're on the home page, log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll be taken directly to your Webflow dashboard where all your sites are displayed. In your Webflow dashboard, locate the site that contains the component you want to delete, hover your mouse over that specific site, and you'll notice an option to open in Webflow. Click on it to access your site's editor. Once you're inside the Webflow editor, direct your attention to the left panel. This is where you'll find all the key tools for managing your site's elements and design system. Look for the Components button in this panel and click it. This will open up your component library, giving you access to all the components currently in your project. After clicking the Components button, you'll see a list of all your components displayed in the left panel. These are all the reusable elements you've created or added to your site. Browse through this list and select the specific component you want to delete. Take your time here to make sure you're selecting the right one, as deleting a component will remove it from your entire project. Once you've selected the component, a new list will appear in the left panel showing the different sections or instances related to that component. Now, right-click on the section you want to delete. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click on Delete, and that's it. You've successfully removed the component from your Webflow project. This process helps keep your component library organized and ensures you're only working with elements that are actively being used in your design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.